Hi guys, Shazada here. Today we'll be unboxing Rayban Meta Headliners. So these are Meta powered smart glasses. So let's just unbox. About the device itself. Well, first of all, the casing looks quite nice though. The unpacking is nice as well. So it does come with the so first of all, you'll need to download like an app which is called Meta AI to use these ones. You can use it on Android, Apple, doesn't matter. The case itself, it's quite nice. It feels premium leathery texture. So this is the power button and has like an LED in it which blinks and lets you know the device itself that you know what state it is in for the case itself. If it's charging, if it's charged. Has a USB-C port, which is quite handy and should be the normal one now. Compared to the older glasses, there's not that much difference in regards to the performance itself, because obviously the AI it's almost same, but the main thing is the shape itself. So they are sort of inspired by the Mayfair ones, but these are a bit more modern looking. So let's take out these glasses themselves. As you can see, the light has gone up. Oh, I'll take it out. Yeah. Okay, so it has a plug, so you gotta be a bit gentle with it. As you can see. These are these glasses. They change the shades. So if you're in the sun, it will change it. While you're inside, it will stay clear. So transitional glasses, if it's called, if I'm correct. Okay. So yes, these don't feel that heavy compared to like any normal glasses you have. So like, cause these are like one of my old glasses. Yes, they are a bit heavier compared to that one, but it's not like if you look at the design itself, they're super heavy. That's not the case itself. So on the device itself, so one, it has an ultra wide 12 megapixel camera. So if you're making videos for like Instagram, Facebook, to some with YouTube as well, these are quite great. But the videos are horizontal instead of vertical, so landscape. So what happens is, it depends on your need though. So you like obviously you can film it, but then you might have to do some AI trickery too. But obviously, normally these are designed for Instagram and Facebook. So just keep that in mind. So one camera on the other side, this is like a LED which blinks and like for the privacy reasons, it lets other people know that you know you're actually recording. So if you are recording, it will keep the light on. If you take one photo, it will flash on. So it has 5 almost mics on these ones. The battery timing, the actual battery timing, will last you around 4 hours of normal actual usage. But if you are streaming or if you are taking videos, it won't last you for 4 hours. Most likely between 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on what are you using it for, how heavy your usage is. So just be mindful of that. There are some new Meta glasses are coming which will give you double the battery. They are, because this is a 1080p camera, while on the other one it will be 1440p. So it depends. You might be able to get these one cheaper. You can get them on prescription lenses, but they are quite expensive. So I would say buy off the market, or you can get it change yourself later on. So the main features on this one. So here, as you can see, these have speakers. So if you're using for calls, if you are using for normal usage, or for just music calls, it can last you between 1 to 4 hours in that instance. How to improve the battery? You can disable the Meta listening feature, which is like it's always active, ready to hear you, and you can use the button like which is over here to for the usage. So if you just tap it one time, it will take the photo. If you hold it a couple of seconds, it will switch to the video mode, and as I said earlier, from the privacy reason, it will have the light on. For the light, you can change the brightness level. I would say leave it lower to get the maximum battery from these. This is the LED here, so that shows you the status. So it has 3 modes. One, it's blue. I think other one is white and green. So blue means it is ready to be paired. You can do that. This button is the power button. So if you are not using that, you can turn on and off the device from here. That's the one. So obviously these come in different colors as well. So these are my old glasses. I haven't worn them in ages. So like compared to these ones, as you can see, but obviously these are not smart glasses. These are just generic glasses. So if you are into streaming, traveling, this could be like a quite handy companion to you, because in some instance, you can't take out your camera and then record the video. It just takes too much time. Well, this one, we just gotta double tap and it will start the recording. A few things though. It has like a plasticky finish. It's not that bad depending on the color you might be getting. So you might like or you might not like it, but you can just see. For me, I like this one because it shows the inner side quite not almost everything, but the design it's decent enough. So as you can see from here, this is the touch sensor. So one, it has 3, like you can switch to different mode. One, you can use it for your Meta, you can use it to control your mic, then you have like 3 fingers hold. You can use that to like make calls, do different things like control the audio, things like that. As I said earlier, so the main thing is like you will always need to keep your case close to you. With case, it can give you up to almost 34 hours of battery. 34, 36, it depends though. On the app setup, because I'm recording on the mobile, I can't show you now, but I will make another video the way you can optimize this one, because I was thinking like, okay, because a lot of people are saying, because what they have done is they have disabled the notification, they have disabled the Meta to increase the life of these ones, the battery life on these ones. So I will create another video and I'll give you guys like a heads up on what you can do. Price, you can get these one close to $350 to pounds, depending on the location as well. So on the live streaming, you can live stream to Instagram and Facebook with these ones. I don't think so you can do that to YouTube for now. It has like as I said, because it has my 5 mics built in, so you can use the Hey Meta feature to like enable that. And then there as another thing though, it comes with a cloth to clean this up. Okay, so these are just I guess some warranty guides and things like that to set up your device. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care, stay safe, have a good day, bye bye.